what maintenance would you guys require or suggest be done to a B9S4 with 70,000 miles before going to stage 3?
I mean, all the normal stuff you're going to be doing. Stage 3, I'm assuming you're going to be doing injectors, so that's one of the big ones that gets overlooked on some platforms.
I think injectors is the one thing I would say is,
Yeah.
other than standard maintenance.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just finished.
Yeah, my laptop is back.
Yeah, other than that, you could do a basic health check, but
yeah, there's some things. I mean, the if your coolant pump has never been done, that's one of those things that kind of goes out on all of them, depending on year, and I don't know what year vehicle this is, but there's an actuator in the pump that can start leaking coolant into the basically the vacuum lines that control the ice solenoid. So that's one of the non-standard things that this platform's kind of known for. PCV valve, probably not a bad idea if you haven't done it.
Yeah, that's true. The PCV system.
I think there's anything else kind of unique to this platform.
Yeah, although I do think that increased boost pressures make the PCV hose fail sooner. Like, I don't think it's designed to
hold. Sure. No, not
so.
disagreeing, but getting a healthy one in there, or known,
at least checking it.